Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will quickly show you how to connect n8n to Claude. So guys, just make sure to firstly add the first step in here, and this will basically make us a new automation. And in here, just don't search for Claude. So if I search for Claude, as you can see, there's nothing here. And so kindly, for us, as you can see, it actually pops up the thing that we need. So we need the Anthropic chat model. So this is exactly what we need. So press on it. And of course in here, under credential to connect with new credential. And we will just need to insert the API key and we're done. To get the API key, you need to go to console.anthropic.com and then dashboard, and then press on get API key. So as you can see, you can just I suppose you need to pay for it. So launch your first project for just $5. Yeah, you just need to pay for this one. And they will instantly give you a code, the API code. It's going to be like basically a line of different characters. You just copy it, insert it in this field, press on save, and you will get a green authenticated or connected button in here. On the top, above this need help, and above open docs. So guys, basically, this is how it's done. Enjoy the tutorial. If you like it, if it was helpful, press like on it, of course, subscribe and leave a comment. See you soon.